Sometimes you open your Instagram application and you try to refresh your feed, but no matter how many times you do it, you just can't refresh your feed. Today, I'm going to tell you why and how you can fix it. If your Instagram does not get refreshed, what you want to do first is check if Instagram is down. I'm going to type Instagram is down. And the first website that pops up, you can tap on it and when you scroll down, you're going to see a diagram of all the times that Instagram has been out, like reported in the last 24 hours. So you can check Instagram is actually working or not. As you can see, for today, the reports are 0. It means there's no problem. So if that's working, you can check your connection speed. I'm going to type speed test, and check my speed. Continue on the web, go. Allow. So as you can see, my speed is not half bad, so that can't be the problem. So if my connection is okay and Instagram is okay, my feed should get refreshed. So if that's not working, it's probably a bug. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to App Store, search for Instagram, and if there is an update available like now, I'm going to update my application. This usually fixes all the bugs. And if that doesn't work, there's one more thing you can do. You can head over to settings, scroll down, find general, tap on iPhone storage. And from this list, you're going to find Instagram. And from here, you can offload the app just like that and reinstall the app. And that way you can force stop your Instagram application. It usually fixes all the bugs, it clears the cache, and when you reinstall the app, you have all of your data, even it's not logged out or anything. Usually that helps with your Instagram feed not getting refreshed, but you can also leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know if you've been having more troubles or you have other solutions.